A 1RI, originally designed for somewhat experienced outdoor enthusiasts, has proven so successful that it's now recommended for beginners too. It goes by the name of a 1R. It may seem compact, but it packs numerous functions into its design. It serves as a flashlight, an emergency signal, SOS device, a GPS chip, a freshwater and saltwater purifier, a tracker, and a power bank all in one. The A1R generates power through a clever compressed air system. It includes a pump, and just 60 seconds of pumping can provide 5 days of water purification or half a smartphone charge. According to the manufacturers, this gadget bridges the gap between the city and nature. What are your thoughts on it?
Can you imagine a shovel that sells for $230? Well, we can if it's this remarkable engineering marvel. It goes by the name of Zune Lotoo Smilodon, and it's a versatile multi-tool. Besides its primary function as a shovel, it can also serve as a hoe, a saw, a glass breaker, a hammer, a hook, an axe, a knife, and even a camera tripod. And that's just a part of what it can do. The shovel's potential is limited only by the owner's imagination. Remarkably, the manufacturers have managed to keep the shovel quite lightweight, with a version weighing in at only 1.4 kg.
In Hong Kong, there's an intriguing GPS tracker on offer. A local company has created a device known as GoFindMe. It not only provides the user's location with a precision of approximately 5 m, but also allows you to send text and voice messages. All these functions work without SIM cards, subscriptions, or an internet connection. The secret lies in GoFundMe's use of low-R wireless technology for communication between devices. These gadgets can connect with one another over a distance of up to 8 km. This local network of connectivity allows for quick alerts, such as notifying members of a hiking group in case of an emergency. With one charge, GoFindMe can run for a continuous 72 hours. You can purchase this gadget for $90.
AirSaber Elite X2. Last year, the German airgun manufacturer UMX surprised everyone with a rather unusual product, the AirSaber Elite X2, a double-barrel pneumatic crossbow. Many reviews dubbed it the world's first double-barrel arrow gun. Let's explore its capabilities. The gun has a tank capacity of 240 cc, which is enough for around 25 shots. It allows for accurate aiming at distances of up to 70 msh. Plus, it features 4 picket any rails for attaching supports, flashlights, and other accessories. You can purchase the AirSaber Elite X2 for $460.
ECO Behemoth Stormproof Fire Starter, Canadian Preparedness, a company comprised of survival experts, feels that the survival market is flooded with low-quality products. That's why Canadian Preparedness focuses solely on the essentials, like their Behemoth storm matches. These matches, measuring 14 km, can burn for 15 minutes. If they happen to get wet, no worries, you can simply wipe them dry. For added protection, these matches come in robust metal boxes. A pack of 9 matches is priced at $20.
Venom Gaiter V2. Badlands also has expertise in camping, survival, and more. And they've given careful attention to even something as simple as gators. They offer the Venom Gaiter V2 specifically designed for snakebite protection. These gaiters are made using tough military-grade materials. The combination of laces, snap buttons, and Velcro ensures a secure and comfortable fit. These gaiters have proven their reliability by withstanding king brown snake bites without any issues. Considering that the venom of these snakes is deadly to humans, investing $190 in a pair of these gaiters is a wise choice if you plan to venture into the Australian wilderness.
QUIKCORD Wilderness DIY in the United States has crafted this coil for carrying paracord, and it seems like there's potential for mass production, given the frequent appearance of similar products on crowdfunding platforms. A noteworthy example is this Kickstarter project named QUIKCORD. The creator offers a polymer case for storing paracord, complete with a blade, a clip, and a snap light. This case, along with 6M of paracord, is available for $20. Surprisingly, even this modest price didn't hinder the creator from raising over $31,000. Therm, a known supplier of accessories for emergency and military services, offers their container called the CellVault. One notable feature is its compatibility with the M attachment system. The container can store 2 AA or 4 AAA batteries and is designed to resist dust and water. You can purchase the CellVault for $20.
FITH Ops alarm components come at a price of $150. While there are less expensive alternatives out there, the question is, can they be relied upon? It's worth noting that this company collaborates with law enforcement and the military, and its founder is an expert in explosives. With FITH Ops components, you have the opportunity to create a robust alarm system, suitable for both indoor and outdoor setups.
This stove makes for a perfect camping companion. It has a weight of 6 kg, operates on butane, and when folded, it's as compact as a thermos. It features smart supports that accommodate cookware ranging from 10 to 26 km in diameter. To prevent overpressure, the stove includes a magnetic valve. Plus, the non-slip inserts in its legs keep the stove steady during cooking. You can get the stove along with its storage bag for $130.
This fish trap is marketed as magical. Users only need to complete 3 steps: set the trap, place the bait inside, and submerge it into water. After that, the trap requires no further attention, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Its operation is simple. Fish are lured in by the baits and can't escape. Depending on the model, the trap comes with either 6 or 12 holes, making it suitable for catching fish, crabs, and even shrimp. The 6-hole trap weighs 150 grams and is available for purchase at $8.
The makers of this pulley aim to provide customers with the utmost benefit. Thanks to its clever design, the device is secure against tampering and remarkably resistant to twisting. It can be easily attached to ropes, cords, and carabiners. Weighing just 11 grams, the creators guarantee a tensile strength of 50 Chen for this device, available for $55 per piece.